Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sarah Arkansas, your clinical pharmacist. So, MODEYSO or dordaviprone. MODEYSO is another medication approved by FDA, which I'll go over the treatment, which is midline glioma. So again, this is another episode of Pharmacy Talk USA. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive daily notifications on medication news and updates. So MODEYSO or dordaviprone is for midline glioma. Specifically, it's a protease activator indicated for treatment of adults and pediatric patients 1 and older with diffuse midline glioma, harboring an H3K27M mutation with progressive disease following prior therapy. It comes in a capsule format of MODEYSO 125 milligram. For select patients for treatment with MODEYSO, based on presence of the H3K27M mutation, monitor the EKG or ECG and electrolytes before starting MODEYSO, and periodically during the treatment because it may be impacted clinically. The recommended doses in adult patients is 625 milligram orally once weekly. The recommended dose in pediatric patients is weighing over 10 kilogram, is based on the body weight. Also take MODEYSO orally once weekly on an empty stomach. Continue MODEYSO until the disease progression or unacceptable toxicity. Some of the common side effects seen from MODEYSO include decreased lymphocytes, decreased calcium, increased alanine aminotransferases. Also, it could include nausea and musculoskeletal pain. So MODEYSO or dordaviprone for treatment of midline glioma. To be specific, it's a protease activator indicator for the treatment of adults and pediatric patients 1 year of age and older with diffuse midline glioma harboring an H3K27 mutation. Again, it's a capsule format of 125 milligram. EKG and electrolytes should be monitored for these patients. Dosing is different from adults to pediatric patients. The recommended dose for adults is 625 milligram orally once weekly. For pediatric patients above 10 kilogram is based on the body weight for the patients. It's orally once weekly on empty stomach dosing for these patients. For more detailed information on MODEYSO or dordaviprone, refer back to the package insert, which will give you more information on the dosing, precautions on MODEYSO. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.